Hello, my name is Jessica. I only offer verified offers. Please follow our channel so I can send you the latest news. The link is in the description. Of course, here's a simplified, translated explanation of the terms of the F50 plan offered by ITBFX. Introduction to the F50 plan. This plan offers a $50 welcome bonus, non-withdrawable, only for new clients who registered within the last 30 days. Valid until the end of June 2025. The bonus is for trading purposes only and cannot be withdrawn. However, profits generated from it can be withdrawn under certain conditions. Steps to receive the bonus. Complete the registration and verification process on the ITBFX website. Access the plan page through the user panel. Create a trading account specifically for the F50 plan. Log in to the MT5 platform and start trading. Bonus terms. The bonus is for trading purposes only and cannot be withdrawn. It is valid for 1 month from the date of receipt. You must complete a KYC verification process to receive it. Any trade that closes in less than a minute is considered a violation, and the resulting profit will not be credited. Trading is permitted in currency pairs, commodities such as oil and gas metals, stock indices. Trading in cryptocurrencies and stocks is prohibited under this plan. Submitting a withdrawal request is considered the beginning of the profit liquidation process. Deposits to the F50 account are not permitted, and if deposits are made, the bonus and profit will be deducted together. IB commissions are not charged on F50 accounts. Only 1 share per person is allowed. Profit withdrawal conditions. The minimum and maximum withdrawal amount is $50. To withdraw $50 profit, you must trade at least 5 standard lots. Each trade must achieve a spread of at least 10 pips. Each trade must be open for at least 10 minutes. Illustrative example: the account shows balance $0, bonus $50, total value $50. If the trader makes a profit of $100, the value becomes $150. Only $50 of the profit is withdrawable. The $50 bonus plus the $50 excess will be deducted.